Everyone see my screen?
Yes, yes. Great. So if it is less than, in case you enter less than, it will not come. And show the
Okay.
logic, show the logic also. Show the logic also with the Power Automate. Great. You have converted into integer. Again, the same process. You have converted into integer and you can see that.
Mhm.
Yes, guys, I hope you're clear on that, everyone. Great. For other people, it's working. The same logic, guys. So I want to just check. There are 5 people now. How many people are doing this Power of Automate first time? Can you please give me a thumbs up? How many people are doing this first time today? One, great. Dan is doing. What about others? All 4 people are earlier doing this. Okay, Rachel. So I think then you learn the concept is clear why we are using Power Automate and what is the benefit of that and how we can do this Power Automate. And I
Yep.
hope you are not finding it very difficult.
No, it's pretty straightforward.
Great. So I'm just sharing my screen and the mapping with the content that we plan. Fine. So guys, please look at here because I think all people are busy in their meetings and coming here. So this is what we plan for the day. One, I have total 8 modules. So are you clear with the first module, everyone? Are you clear with the first module, introduction to Power Automate? What is Power Automate? How can Power Automate help you and navigate the main screen of the Power Automate? Great. So we are done with this. Now, starting a Power Automate, navigating the main screen where you can add a Power Automate. Second one, are you clear with that, everyone? Great. Now, introduction, the type of flows, template, flow. These 2 things I need to do: the template and the using a template to create an automate flow. So I'll work on that. So I'll just take an example of that here. So I'll go to the my flow, create a flow. Let's create with the help of some templates. So these are the templates with the automate to know. So I'm finding a good one. Show all the templates. Yes, save Outlook .com email. No, this is an outlook.com. I'm not need to configure. Just finding some good one. Yes, I think this will help me. Save attachment to a specific drive of this. So I click on that. So I need to work on this, guys. I need to work on that. If I'll get some attachment, it will download into a specific folder. It cross-check that I'm logged in with that. So it required an Outlook Office 365 and an OneDrive business. So I'm going to create there. I'm click on continue. So it will create or automatically template is ready. No, automatically the template is ready. So I have that. So whenever it's come in an inbox, fine. So form contains some value, which is it's a template. So download the attachment. If contains some value like an on a new email. I don't have any condition. No, I don't have any condition. A triggered body from contains JP. So if any of the mail contains JP, fine, JP Singh. So what happened? It will pick up that and download the attachment here. If it is containing a JP, you have to put a attachment into a folder. I'll pick up a folder from here. So it's a root. I'll put under the attachment. So it should be under the attachment. As of now, if I open the OneDrive, there is my files. Under the attachment, nothing is there. As of now, nothing is here. So I'm preparing that. It will come here. I just have to put the templates, nothing more than that. So here, if it is not from JP Singh, then the folder path is also the same. Or maybe then you can take some other. Fine. Then you can take some thing on this. Go there. Fine. So that is the process. We have a template. We'll just work on that. So on arrival, I'll just save this. This is running. This is saved. It's working fine. So now from this, I'm writing an email to the mail ID. Test mail for download. IJP testing. And I insert a file with the desktop. And I'll take what? I'll take Excel list. And I click on open. And I send the mail. So here we'll receive the mail. Oh, I received the mail. Now I need to check whether it is downloaded there or not. As of now, not. Just quickly refresh this. Wait for a few seconds. Is my flow is running? Yes, it's running. Go to attachment again. Not working with this. Check that. On arrival, folder is inbox. Raw input is not required. This starts with also, but it should work. I think it is right. No, I can do one thing. I can take this here. I can remove this because as of now, this is not required. We are spending much time. So if it is an attachment, it's coming here. It should be for every mail. It should be there. So no from nothing. I'll save that. Go to the mail again. Should download. Click on to this. New mail. Test mail. Test mail. Insert a file. Excel list, open. Send it. It's coming. I'm surprised. Yes, it's coming, guys. Can you see this? In that way, you can work on, you can write the email for a particular email in a particular folder, you can particular person, so you can manage that. So this is a schedule mail, guys. Oh, sorry, automated mail with the help of template. So template will give you what? Template will give you the design logic. So you do not need to design this. It will give you an automatically design logic, nothing more than that. So if you have understanding of logic, don't use template. You can use according to your requirement. So it's working for Rachel. And if I'm coming with the PowerPoint, I think other than flow checker, this is the flow checker where error is coming and we find the error and we rectify the error. We did that in the time of comparison with the string and number. If you remember, testing the flow, running the flow with checking result. I think the third module is clear to all. Great. Fine. Now editing a flow, renaming a flow, sharing a flow. So you can come to the My Flow. From here, you can click on Edit. It will become in the editing mode. From here, if you write here a rename, the rename option is here, I think. No, you can rename. No, why? You can rename. This is a rename. Edit or rename. And rename that. Why the rename is? Achha, it's a running flow. No, you have to make it turn off. Oh, sorry. It should be the editing mode, and you have to double click here to rename. Hmm. Save attachment. So save it. My flow. So it's a save attachment. So you can rename, and it is not running. You can see this icon. It is not running. You can make this turn on. So then it is a running mode. Coming on the next, you can share this with your team member. You click on share and you can share with your team members to whom you want to share. You can add a group and you can add the team member over here and you can share with that. So these are the options, guys. I hope now the fourth module is also covered. Not difficult, very easy. And I think we have done more than that. Yes, guys, we have done more than that in today's session. So I'm coming here. I have also done how to create an item and send an email. No, so I started with that. And tomorrow we are going to work on that. No, we are also work with an use or fix and dynamic variables, branching logic that is also covered. Branching logic means loops and conditions. We have also covered creating and button flow using template and editing. We will this repeat this tomorrow. So my concern is that because this is told to me, I don't know, or maybe your team manager or team member share with me. So this is shared by Palash with me. So these are the things. So it specifically mentioned the SharePoint data. So I will demonstrate you that other you can do. I'll just do that tomorrow also. So guys, I am done with my today's content. How was your learning? Any doubts, any queries, any problems, please let me know. Yes, guys, waiting for your response. So how was the session, guys? A few words on that. How was the session? How was your learning? Your learning first time, or maybe you learned something new? One or two liner, if you can do, please. Rachel already had that. Thanks, Dan. Thanks a lot. So Dustin, you are going to join tomorrow the full day session. Thank you so much.
I'll be on at 11 a.m. Eastern time.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
on the
okay, okay.
Pacific Coast, so.
Okay. No worries, recording will help you. Otherwise, I'll share my detail with you. In case you want to connect with me after the session also, you can ping me in case of any query and doubts.
Okay, thank you.
Fine, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Uh, tomorrow we'll join. Tomorrow we will join 9:30, guys. 9:30 in the morning, not 8:30. So please, I just remind you for everyone. Tomorrow we are going to join at 9:30. Sure, sure, Rachel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Justin. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.